Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Industrial Shrink Wrap is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any business looking to protect and secure their products during shipping and storage. Whether you're packaging delicate electronics, heavy machinery, or bulk goods, the right shrink wrap can make all the difference in ensuring your items arrive at their destination in pristine condition, preventing damage from moisture, dust, and abrasion. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a shrink wrap truly stand out in the industrial sector, helping you make an informed decision for your packaging needs. Number 5. International Plastics Company 18 Stretch Film Wrap. Moving day can be stressful, but not anymore. This stretch film lets you wrap, bundle, and secure all your belongings with confidence. Protect your items effortlessly and move with peace of mind. Say goodbye to messy tapes and frustrating twine. This wrap conveniently secures furniture, boxes, and more without leaving any residue. It's also perfect for space-saving storage. This versatile wrap is your go-to solution for all household wrapping tasks. From large furniture to delicate items, it secures everything reliably and easily. Experience the power of 500% stretchability. This film clings to itself for a perfect, tight seal that only strengthens as you stretch. Unwrapping is just as easy when you arrive. Crafted from high-grade American plastic, this wrap offers exceptional clarity and durability. You can rely on its performance without any cloudiness or weakness. Protect your belongings and the environment simultaneously. This wrap is eco-friendly and recyclable, allowing you to move and store with minimal impact. Simply recycle it when finished. What we like. This option offers a solid 500% stretchability, ensuring a secure wrap without leaving any sticky residue. If you're looking for a reliable and eco-friendly solution for general household moving and storage, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a clean finish and easy cleanup. What people say. The shrink wrap is durable and provides excellent protection for items during shipping. Easy to use and creates a tight, professional-looking seal. The thickness of the wrap is ideal for heavy-duty applications, ensuring items stay secure. Number 4. International Plastics Company 18 Industrial Stretch Film. Introducing our industrial-grade stretch film, perfect for moving, storage, and safeguarding your belongings. It's designed to handle even the heaviest loads with ease. This film boasts a thickness of 20 microns, ensuring it performs flawlessly even when wrapping irregularly shaped items. You can rely on its strength and durability. Experience superior stretchability, allowing up to 800% elongation. It adheres to itself, creating a perfect seal that gets stronger the more you stretch it. Our film is a true 80 gauge, providing extra thickness and toughness for a wide range of demanding applications. It's built to last and protect. Crafted from high-grade American plastic, this wrap is exceptionally clear and durable. You get reliable performance without any cloudiness or weakness. Protect your items while being kind to the environment. This stretch film is eco-friendly and recyclable, making disposal simple and responsible. What we like. With an impressive 800% stretchability and industrial strength, this film is built for heavy-duty tasks. If you are packing heavy loads or irregularly shaped items, this is the product for you. Its multi-layered construction provides superior durability for demanding applications. What people say. The shrink wrap is durable and holds up well under stress. It provides a tight and secure seal, protecting the product effectively. The material is easy to work with, allowing for quick and efficient application. Number 3. Modern Innovations 15-inch Clear Stretch Wrap Roll with Handles. Introducing our industrial strength stretch wrap, designed to make your packing process a breeze. This heavy-duty roll offers superior thickness and an impressive 1,000 feet of coverage. It comes equipped with 2 roller handles featuring a tension grip and comfortable silicone coating. This ensures a secure wrap without straining your wrists or damaging your hands. Shield your belongings from the elements with this weather-resistant cling wrap. It provides a protective barrier against rain, snow, dirt, dust, stains, spills, rips, and scratches. Forget about sticky residue left behind by tape or other materials. Our shrink wrap ensures a clean finish, perfect for wrapping furniture, luggage, and more. This stretch wrap is incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of applications. From furniture and pallet wrapping to shipping and industrial use, it's the ideal solution for movers, storage companies, and more. What we like. This product stands out with its included roller handles, making it incredibly easy to wrap large and heavy items without strain. If you're looking for a user-friendly experience and protection against the elements, this is ideal. It's perfect for movers who want to reduce physical effort and ensure their furniture is shielded during transport. What people say. The shrink wrap is durable and provides excellent protection for packaged goods. Easy to use and creates a tight, professional-looking seal. The film is clear and allows for easy product identification. Number 2. Stretch Wrap 4-Pack 18x 1100 square feet. This bulk supply offers a flexible and durable solution for all your packing needs. It provides ample protection for commercial, industrial, and residential applications, including wrapping merchandise, moving furniture, and shielding items for storage. Our extra thick, heavy-duty plastic banding delivers the strength you need to protect cargo of any size. The premium film features an 80-gauge thickness and a reinforced core for reliable performance and easy application. The glossy outer surface actively repels dirt and dust, preserving contents for long-term storage and transport. Its slick exterior also blocks moisture and prevents items from sticking together, while the impenetrable design defends against scratches and scuffs. Enjoy a simple and economical alternative to traditional binding methods. Its convenient self-adhering texture and superior cling power make it easy to cover and bundle items quickly by hand, offering supreme tensile strength for one-person maneuverability. This purchase includes 4 rolls of transparent pallet wrap, perfect for labeling and identifying boxes. Its versatile styling is also ideal for binding various items like furniture, electronics, and equipment. What we like. This bulk 4-pack offers exceptional value with 80-gauge thickness for robust protection. If you need a large supply for commercial, industrial, or frequent residential use, this is a cost-effective solution. Its self-adhering nature makes application quick and efficient, ideal for wrapping pallets or large quantities of items. What people say. This shrink wrap is incredibly durable and provides excellent protection for my products during shipping. The clarity of this shrink wrap is outstanding, allowing customers to see the product clearly without opening the package. I was impressed with how easily this shrink wrap conforms to irregular shapes, ensuring a snug and professional finish every time. Number 1. Wirefy 180 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. Introducing the Wirefy 180-piece Heat Shrink Tubing Kit, your solution for professional wire connections. This kit offers superior performance and reliability for all your electrical needs. Featuring a 3-to-1 shrink ratio, this tubing recovers to 1/3 of its original diameter. This ensures a tight, secure seal that standard 2:1 tubing often can't achieve. With adhesive lining inside, it creates a resistant and long-lasting insulated connection when heat is applied. This provides excellent protection against environmental factors. This kit includes 7 of the most commonly used diameters, ranging from 3/32 to 3/4 inches. Each piece is pre-cut to 3.5 inches for convenience. Simply slide the tube over your connection and apply heat for professional-grade results in seconds. It's designed for ease of use without compromising quality. The dual-wall construction offers abrasion resistance and strain relief, while the UL certification provides confidence in its quality and safety. Trust in a product verified for your peace of mind. What we like. This option is specifically designed for electrical wire connections, featuring a 3-to-1 shrink ratio and adhesive lining for a tight, insulated seal. If you're working on electrical projects and need reliable, professional-grade protection, this is the one to choose. Its UL certification ensures safety and durability for critical applications. What people say. The shrink wrap is durable and provides excellent protection for items during shipping. Easy to use and creates a tight, secure seal that prevents shifting and damage. The clarity of the film allows for easy identification of contents without unwrapping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.